Okay, guys, while I'm in Amy's Naviance, I thought I'd also show you how you now have the access to view student usernames and change their password. So if they say they're forgetting it, or if they're saying the Mustangs, Mustangs, is not working as their password, then you can just reset it. So to do that, once you're in Naviance, you'll go to Students at the top. Students and then groups. So if I'm looking at Amy's, click on Amy Hasselgren CCR. I do need to change the grade to grade 9 because that's her CCR. Click Get Members. And then it shows all of her kids in here. So say Kenya is saying, I can't get in. I don't know if I'm doing my correct username. We click on her name. We go down to the bottom and it has her username, which is her student email, like this. For whatever reason, some of the kids may say their student email is different than this. This is what the district automatically input. So this is what they have to use for their username for Naviance. And then finally, the password, it doesn't show you, but you can, if they're saying their password's not working and you've double checked to make sure they're typing in the correct username and everything's spelled correctly, at this point, you could auto reset their password and it sends them an email, I believe, with the new password, or you can click edit password and change it, to FMHS, whatever, or whatever the kid wants. And then, but it's going to be easier if you always edit the password to the same. So Mustangs, lowercase, plural. And then at that point, they should be able to get in. Contact me if for whatever reason you've done all that and it still says they're locked out of their account. I have not been able to find a spot in Naviance yet where I can see which kids are locked out. I've just had to go in and do this piece of it for each of the locked out kids. So now you should be able to do this. So check their username, make sure they're typing it in correctly, and then you can auto reset their password or edit it to Mustangs, again, lowercase and plural with the S at the end. Make sure they're spelling that correctly because that was an issue for some of our kids. Let me know if you need any help getting some of those kids back in. Thank you.